Well, Friday is ending on a good note. Maybe not above 20,200, but perhaps that's just as well. Slow and steady wins the race, as they say. 68 points higher on the Nifty, with almost 11 to 12 stocks hitting fresh 52-week highs. So the mood is very buoyant in the large caps, though you can't take away from the fact that we had that selling coming in the moment that 20,200 mark was hit. Just talking about the big gainers, we've been speaking about auto, so that of course has been the big headline today. Bajaj Auto, M&M, Dr. Hero Moto, all up and about. Dr. Reddy's is the other stock that was also among the top 5 on the Nifty, gain of 1.5% over here. What else? Then, of course, a lot of the large banks and large cap IT companies, they've done well today. HCL Tech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, TCS, good day for frontline IT, you would have to say. Not very big gains, but 1% to about 1.5%, depending on which stock you're looking at. HDFC Bank has had a good run. Some of it is technical factors because of the inflows coming in due to adjustment in global indices. So that's been playing out. Some incremental buying in metal and commodity stocks, JSW Steel, Coal India, Tata Steel, about 0.5% in these names as well. So what didn't do too well? BPCL, and that's on expected lines, with crude prices clocking 94 to the barrel now on Brent. And because of that, some of the other related plays, like Asian Paints, for instance, that was also down about 1.5%. In general, FMCG a little lackluster, even a lever for that matter. ITC, FMCG not so hot. But it was really out and out IT and auto. I think these were the two star sectors today, Rima.
And in the broader markets, it was the banks, right?
Yeah.
The mid-cap banks. They were the star sector. So names like UCO Bank ending up 8%, IOB up close to about 6%, Yes Bank, Central Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, all of them gaining close to about 4 to 5%. But at the index level, the mid-cap index came off 0.5% from the session highs. The advanced decline ratio held up in favor of the gaining side, but there was a decisive weakness that you saw in the second half of the trading session. For the week, the mid-cap index is going to go home with a cut of close to about 0.5%. A couple of the notable movers include restaurants brand Asia at one point of time up 12-13%, ends with a gain of about 6%. So a bit of a cool-off visible over there. Other than that, Vodafone Idea, 11% rally for this week, and this is the 4th consecutive week of gains for Vodafone Idea. Quite remarkable. And on the losing side, IRB Infra, Aircon, SAIL, IRFC, SJVN, these were some of the hot favorites, and they came in for some amount of profit booking. All in all, the bell is gone, and it's a positive close for our market. Records also, right? The Nifty, Sensex, both of them hit record highs in the session in the morning, and even the close is a record close.
Is at an all-time high for what it's worth? Absolutely. So good going for the market, and some caution coming in for good measure as well. Well, with that, we come to the end of trade for today and for this week. Thank you very much for watching. It's a wrap from the entire Closing Bell team, but don't go anywhere, because our Friday special Smart Money is coming up next.